Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Firefox not launching. Step 1, you can go to Task Manager. You can end any stock Firefox processes. So go to your Start menu and then look for Task Manager. Under Processes, look for Firefox. If there is, then all you have to do is to click that Firefox right here and then end the task. So since I am not using Firefox now, I can choose from any of this. For example, this one is the Firefox. Tap on End Task and try relaunching it again. Another way is that you can just basically uh, go and then run this as administrator if you can see it right here. Or you can just go to that specific application here on your desktop, right click, and then tap on run as administrator. Now, if this method didn't work, then tap again the Firefox, and then this time you need to tap on troubleshoot compatibility. It will somehow detect any issues or conflicts, and if found, then they will or this troubleshooter compatibility will give you some suggestions on how to fix this one. And if after this didn't work or still you encountered a problem, you need to go to your Firefox, and then if you see an update right here, tap on update, or you can go to your settings, go to privacy, and then look for clear cache right here, tap on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data, but it's up to you. You can also try that one out. If Firefox still doesn't launch, then what you're going to do here is to uninstall and then go to a trusted website to install this or reinstall Firefox again. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.